Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Christine, with you. Today we are going to declutter and organize my makeup and skincare. Here you can see part of it I did before my closet organization video that you can check out on my channel. You can do it together with me. You can put this video on and declutter your makeup. Bestie vibes. Let's start the video. As you can see, it's very messy, nothing is organized. I want it to be really raw and honest. First, what I want to do is go and get my skincare from bathroom, which I use daily, just because to like really organize and put away stuff I don't use. So let's go. I think what we are going to do is start by organizing by the category. Let's start with hair products. They are not a lot. These are all my hair products that I have, except the ones I use currently. Gliss hair shampoo with keratin. It's really difficult with the shampoos because I usually change them because my hair gets used to them. Garnier, I love this one as well. I'm just going to leave them there because many times I use these shampoos when I go to the swimming pool. This frizz-free conditioner, this I actually really loved. I'm going to use it. I will run out of conditioner soon, so I'm going to finish this one. I have this Botanicals kind of shine vinegar spray. I like this one. It like adds shine to my hair. Tresemme, this protector of heat. Also loving L'Oreal. This is the best hairspray. A lot of influencers, a lot of famous bloggers talk about this. Hair oil from Bonté. This I really love. It's with argan oil, really good one. Mask Bonté as well with olives. This I'm going to throw away, not Turtin. I didn't like the hair dye. Don't like any of their products. I'm not going to buy them anymore. I feel like my hair gets really sticky with them. And then I have these nice hair creams that are like treatments that I apply. This is from London and this is Morning Street. I think I got these in like some subscription boxes. I have a few next categories here. These are setting sprays. I'm going to keep the Jeffree Star Morphe setting spray, but I'm going to throw away Sephora. First, I didn't really like it as much, and also it is so old. Hello. I have mascaras here. I have more mascaras than I imagined to have, but I got a few recently. Dior throwing away. It's really old and I have kind of used it. Kiko NYX still using. This one I haven't used a lot. Probably I will not use it anymore. And Maybelline Falsies. I think I'm going to throw it away. It's really old as well. I kind of love to leave a few eyeliners more than I use them, just because who knows. I'm going to throw away this one. I think it's already dry. It's Rimmel, the best one I have ever had, but it's really old. All these colorful liners I'm going to keep because there's just one time maybe I need for some photo shoot. A NYX Wonder Pencil is the best one. I'm going to throw away this Maybelline Precise liner. Black pencils I keep and I use as well. And the brown ones, like these liquid pens, they dry out so fast. This one is good. White one, going to leave one. I'm having the most difficult category here. They are lipsticks. I love lipsticks, but most of them are really old. Like, let's start with pencils because I feel like that I can throw away. These are just really, maybe this one is really weird. I don't even understand how it works. Throw away this one. It's a really weird pencil from Kiko. I have these two of ELF. I want to leave these ones because they are pretty basic ones and I do use them a lot. I'm going to get rid of this one for sure. This one, and I'm going to leave this one just because I also use that. Lunace is a Spanish brand that I got kind of recently, so I'm going to leave that one. This I should throw away. This is really old. NYX Matte, nope, I'm going to leave those ones. I love them so much. I think that Vivid Matte I'm going to throw away. This Santé I needed to throw away a long time ago. The Body Shop, not my favorite, but going to leave for a while. I love this stone. Next, Liquid Suede. I love a lot. This Kiko Milano is really great one. I really suggest this one because it's like it gives a really nice tone, but it's really hydrating at the same time. This I love, but I think I don't have it a lot anymore. I think these two I'm going to leave from L'Oreal just because I use them and like them. Art Deco, this one I like. It's pretty interesting as well. I don't know what to do with these ones from Kiko Milano. They are very pretty, but they're kind of drying. I think I'm going to give them another try. To leave the Rimmel one, I love it. The L'Oreal Fuchsia one going to leave because in summer it can be really pretty. I don't know, smell like crayons or something. I will leave this one because it's pretty for like Christmas photos. Yves Saint Laurent, I love this one a lot. Here we are with like powders, foundations, BB creams. Garnier kind of should maybe throw away, but I will leave it for summer still. This is a new one I bought, like SPF cream, but with a color in it, like tinted. Finish Clinique one even better, it's my favorite. I will leave that. With aloe vera CC cream, I need to check it out. Kind of love it. Oh, this one I throw it away. Maybelline Satin Dream, it's really dark, plus really old. MAC one, loving, I will leave that one yet. Bourjois Healthy Mix, my favorite, will leave that. I think I should throw away It Fit Me. Naked Concealer, loving this one. Silk Bio Tinted Moisture. Oh, I need to throw this one away. It looks really disgusting and it's like dried out. By Terry Cover Expert, great one, but again it's kind of dark for me. Translucent powder, going to leave that one. Revlon Color Stay, going to run out of this one, but one of my favorite powders. Gosh Cosmetic, a great powder, but kind of old one. I think I'm going to throw it away. I hit the pan, as you can see. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, which I'm going to use as the next one. Kiko powder. I hit the pan as well. This Drying Away Pore Professional Primer, really old one, and I don't think I have a lot inside anyways. And Body Shop concealer that I love to use underneath the brow. We are back with bronzers, with blushes, NARS, Duo, Laguna, and how was the other one called? Orgasm. Loving this one. Sleek palette, loving sleek palettes. I really suggest you, affordable and great. The best highlighters I have ever had is this one. Physician Formula bronzer and blush, also my favorite. Will leave that one. I will throw away this Bourjois because it's broken. I loved it, but it's broken, it's old. Wet n Wild, I think I need to throw it away, but it's so good. Maybe it's a very good one. Maybe I will leave it just because it's well, good. Throw away this one. L'Oreal True Match, also really good one, but so old and broken. Bourjois bronzer, I don't know, kind of loving it. I think I'm going to leave it yet. Maybelline blush will leave, and By Tree palette that I want to leave because it's also like really good one. It's now the only By Tree product that I own, so I will leave it. I have a lot of magnetic lashes that were sent to me. Then I have eyeshadows. The Worst palette, I have done a review on this palette. This A1, I love to have them because they're great for like daily use. I usually use them. I love this one kind of, but I don't know if I'm going to use it anymore. Gosh palette, one of the best I also have had as like a everyday palette. Ultimate NYX, great one. Zoeva has a great palette. If they sell in your country, then get Zoeva palettes. They are really nice. Revolution also for the price. I got it for like €5. Morphe 35B palette, using that, loving that. Naked 2, obviously loving that as well. As I said, A1 I love to keep, so I'm going to keep these. I think I need to throw away these color tattoo pots. I remember when they were so like in style, like in trend. Sephora solo eyeshadows, will sleeve them. Let's continue with skincare. Kind of put it this way, laid down. I think it will be faster and easier. Plus, I don't really have a feeling I'm going to throw away. This is just the box I put in all my samples and everything. Those I use for traveling. These are all the tonics, cleansers, and I love these Pixie ones with vitamin C. It really broke out my skin. It's not really meant so much for me, so I will see. I think I'm going to use up the tonic because I love Pixie tonic. Eye creams. This one I usually use for travels, so put that away and use this one on daily. Then I have masks. I will not throw away anything. This one, peel off mask. This is a great hemp mask. I use that one as well at night. These are great Garnier and beauty contour masks I just recently got. Yo's Day Cream Mask, Life Skincare. These are like really small brands that I actually so much love. Pixie Beauty, again vitamin C, kind of these ones, I don't know. On the Glow, I need to throw away because it looks just disgusting, but I love it. This is a refiller I bought for as micellar water. My deodorant, the Rituals. This scent is really weird with eucalyptus, therefore I don't know, I kind of want to throw it away. Rituals hand creams, love this one. But in general, like, I love their shower gels. I actually am so obsessed with foam shower gels, but not just this scent. And I have beauty contour as well, body butter, really good one. Serums, I love serums. This is a new one I got, Skin Boost. I'm testing this one out. These, I actually love all of these. Also smaller brands that I love. You can check on my channel and my blog. I always make some kind of reviews or mention them. I love all of them. I use them just changing them up. Peeling gel, love this one. It's so great. It's just like, I don't know, it smells nice, but also it like has soft kind of texture, but at the same time it's like abrasive, so it does like help. Bio, also scrub, I love. Then I got these new SPF creams. I'm loving these ones. This I think I should throw away. Now you need to just organize it back here. Here I have like kind of messy everything, like kind of stocking things. In this box I actually have some few items, like really basic ones, random ones, but I keep for some giveaway. Maybe when I get 10,000 on my Instagram or 1,000 on my YouTube. So if you want a nice giveaway, then follow me everywhere. And then here I decided I will, with all my samples, I'm going to leave them in this box. It's so much easier to manage and understand. This is just a makeup bag in a makeup bag in a makeup bag in a makeup bag. Now let's see before and after shots. These are all the products I'm decluttering, so if you want to see the actual review, if I like the product or not, and I don't know, maybe some swatches or anything, then check out the next empties videos. I always show them things I throw away as well. That's it for today's, guys. Let me know if you love this video, like and subscribe. Comment down below if you like declutter and organizing videos, because I do love them and I'm watching them, and that's the reason why I'm filming them. And see you next time, guys. Bye.